I'm here at the private view of the science exhibition because I have my piece on display and along with many other pieces of beautiful work made by other students. I've been working on this lovely green dress. It's based off a character that I read about in a science fiction book. The character that this is based off of, she liked old-fashioned Elizabeth Taylor style. She liked the turbans, so hence the 1950s style dress, because that's when Elizabeth Taylor was from.
This is my piece, and it was inspired by the human body. And I was looking at the different systems and how they worked and intertwined with like muscle and skin. I incorporated the bag as its own piece because I couldn't quite fit it into the main piece without it being overwhelmed. So I made it as a separate piece and bigger so I could kind of explore all of the arteries and the veins better. I wouldn't have been able to create something like this at A-level, wouldn't have had the time or the resources either. So I get to see how everyone else's work kind of interacts with each other. My piece fits quite nicely with one of my friends, and I didn't even do it intentionally. They just happened to be quite similar. But it's really nice to see how everyone else works as well, and then I can get inspiration from them.
This is my work on botany, and I like the idea of having plants through the whole development. I chose 2 spring flowers because of the time of year. So we've got the pollen grain, which you can't see because they're so small, so I wanted to have something like that to actually show that they have a beauty of their own, and they've obviously got a function in the life cycle. I did a slice of a daffodil bulb, and if you slice one in half, you see the embryo flower and the leaves for the next spring. I wanted to try different media. I like ceramics and I like the printing, and I hadn't really done anything with textiles, so I really wanted to try that, especially using machine. Good
experience, get to see how everything works in kind of a more professional environment.
The foundation allows you to do absolutely anything, and even things that you might not necessarily consider.
It's really fun, you get loads of creative freedom, loads of help on what you want. They, really help you where you want it.
I'm really enjoying it. I think the tutors are very supportive and encouraging, very can-do. If you can manage it, you can do it, and just, yeah, it's good fun.
It really opens your eyes to the wider world that is art.